Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make an ambrosia salad. I had a request to make an ambrosia salad, so here we go. That's what we're going to do. For those of you who aren't familiar with ambrosia salad, this is a very popular salad, fruit salad, down in the southern United States. And it kind of gets its name from the Greek mythology. It is really good if you love fruit salads, sweet and tangy. You'll love this. Super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Down below in the description box, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts. One thing I want to point out is you don't have to be super precise with these amounts, okay? If you like more of one ingredient than another, use more than another. If you don't want a certain ingredient, then don't use it at all. You can substitute it. This is your ambrosia salad. You can do whatever you want, okay? All right, so first what we're gonna do is I'm gonna slide these ingredients aside and get a large bowl here. And now I'm going to open up 8 ounces of sour cream. This is 1 cup of sour cream. And if you don't have sour cream, you can make sour cream. I have a little video on how you can make your own sour cream. Or you can substitute the sour cream with yogurt if you want. Use a plain yogurt or use like a vanilla yogurt. I'm gonna get this all in here. But sour cream, in general, sour cream and fruit, especially sweet fruit, go really, really well together. As kids, what we used to do is we would dip strawberries in sour cream and then dip that in brown sugar. It was really, really good. And now I have 1 full tub or 1 container of whipped topping, and you can use the Cool Whip brand or you just use the store brand. They pretty much taste the same, and this is much cheaper. This was only $1, and this is 8 ounces as well, or 226 grams. And I set this out for about 30 minutes just so it would soften up. We want to put all of that in there. And you could do homemade whipped cream too if you want, okay? And now we just want to stir this together. And now we start adding the other ingredients. Again, all these ingredients are optional, but they're very common in a typical ambrosia salad, all right, or fruit salad. So I'm going to start with, this is about 16 ounces of little mandarin oranges, and you can just get these in a can or these little fruit cups and then just drain it. Put that in there, just slightly over a cup worth. And again, if you don't want to use that many, you don't have to. If you want to use a little bit more, you can do that as well. And then I'm going to add about a cup of green grapes. If they're really large, you want to slice them in half. If they're small like this, I normally don't slice them in half. And those are optional. Some ambrosia salads will have the grapes and some won't. It just depends. And then I'm going to use 1 cup of sweetened coconut, shredded coconut. If you don't like coconut, then don't add it. And make sure you use the sweetened kind. If you use the unsweetened, it just doesn't taste that good. And now we're going to use fruity mini marshmallows. And that's very, very popular to have those in the ambrosia salad. And then we have 1.5 cups. This is 20 ounces of just pineapple tidbits. And then we have just under a cup, about 3/4 of a cup of maraschino cherries. Those are very popular to have in the ambrosia salad as well. But some people do not like maraschino cherries, and if so, then just leave them out or substitute them with different cherries if you want. Okay? There you go. That's what we do. There's no baking or cooking or anything required. And now we just want to fold this all together. You don't want to stir really heavily because you don't want to break up the fruit. We just want to kind of just go underneath it and fold it. Okay? And this fruit salad is very common in the springtime and summertime. And there you go. It is ready to go. And then sometimes when you serve it, I will serve it and I'll just place a little cherry like that on top after I serve it. And then what you'll do is you're just gonna cover this. I have a lid for this bowl. Just cover it and chill it until you want to serve it. Well, there you go. Ambrosia fruit salad. Super yummy, super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. So yeah. So amazing.